Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your YMCA card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your YMCA application on your iPhone. Now you need to make sure that you log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, once you are inside your YMCA application, simply go to the section where your membership card or the barcode is displayed. Now, this is going to be the code that you can scan when entering the facility. So, when you are seeing the information, simply look for the option of Add to Apple Wallet. Now, if your YMCA supports it, you will see this option on the screen. When you see it, simply tap on it, then tap on the option of Add on the top right hand corner of the screen in order to add your YMCA card to your Apple Wallet. Now, your YMCA card, when it is added to your Apple Wallet, you can visit YMCA, simply open your Apple Wallet, select your card, and then scan the barcode at the entrance. If you don't see this particular option, it simply means that your location may not support this feature yet. In that case, you can continue using the app or in order to show your barcode, and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may not include the wallet support option. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.